Sailing back into Port Canaveral, 5:15 in the morning. It's a lot fresher here than it was in Caribbean, in the Bahamas. Nice little ship. Other cruise ships in. That's the Carnival Freedom. Can't quite see what that one is. And we are just moving round, and we'll be docking very soon over there. Morning.
We're back at Port Canaveral.
As you can see, there's a ship.
Sad times.
Yeah.
But it's off to Animal Kingdom Lodge and Epcot later. Yes.
Favourites.
We've still got breakfast. We're going to go down to the World of Marvel to go and have brekkie, and then we're catching the Disney transportation back.
The good thing about breakfast on the last day is you get to sit with the same people you sat with all week.
Yeah,
and
so
you get the same servers.
So we can at least say a proper goodbye.
Yeah.
Because it was all a bit mad last night at dinner. So, yes, I need some coffee.
Yeah, coffee, some protein tips through the morning.
Yeah, before we get to the Disney goodness.
Yes.
At Disney World, not Disney Cruise Line.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll catch up with you a bit later.
Yeah.
Arrived and dropped the bags.
Kidani.
As you can see.
Love it. Debark is so easy. There's not a lot of... Can we stop? There we go. And maybe not be in the middle of the walkway. There's really not a lot to tell. You literally just have your bags, and when they ding-dong the announcement, you tap off the ship with your room card that you tap off when you go to a port, and that's it. And you're off and you collect your luggage, and it's obviously quite busy and pretty difficult to film. So.
Yeah, we can't really film much. There's so many people, especially people with children.
Yes.
So we thought we'd just go with the flow, and it was pretty damn easy, I think.
Yep, we were. Yeah. The transfer bus left at 9 o'clock, and there was 3 other drop-offs at Boardwalk, Beach Club and Jambo House. We're here at Kidani Village, and it's now, I think it's 11.
Half 10ish? No, yeah, it's just gone 11.
11:07. So
we're off to Epcot.
Yes. Might need ice cream for lunch.
Yeah. So we're going to have a mooch around Epcot for a few hours.
Yep.
Till we know our room's ready.
And do Guardians.
Yeah, we got Guardians.
Which isn't until about 3:15.
Mrs. Lightning Fingers here.
I tried, and it worked.
So if nothing else, we get to do that.
Yeah.
Excellent. So, shall we?
Yes.
Let's go. Guess what we've just done?
Soaring!
Around California. We haven't done that for such a long time.
Yeah, the original version is on at the moment, and yeah, it was lovely to do it again.
I've got to be honest, I've forgotten most of it, but yeah, that's
the
good.
The smells weren't that strong. I wasn't sure if they were even on at one point, but sometimes they are, sometimes they aren't. So.
The one in the River Valley was nice, whatever that was.
See, for once, I didn't even smell that, and you smelled it, which is most unlike us.
Do you want some ice cream, Mrs.
I really want some ice cream.
So we're heading off round World Showcase to Artisan de Glace now.
France Pavilion. They make all the ice cream in-house, nothing's brought in, and it is possibly the best ice cream, in my humble opinion, ever.
She can't speak properly, she's so excited. Peanut candy for me, lovely.
I'm hoping they've got the Christmas time gingerbread flavour.
Right.
Very much so.
So hang with us as we work our way round and end up at Artisan de Glace. Yum yum. We are ice creamed up.
Oh, gingerbread flavour for Christmas.
Peanut candy.
These were $12.25 for both.
Yeah, recommended. You've got to come and get one of these.
I'm now in heaven.
This is lunch. We're waiting for our room to be free, aren't we?
Well, because when you're on holiday, anything can be lunch, quite honestly, can't it?
Yeah. Holiday lunch, ice cream. Guardians.
In your Terran year of 1977, your scientists launched spacecraft
Well done,
on
Mrs.
an
B.
exploratory mission.
3 o'clock.
Yeah. And that was 7 a.m.
Yeah, on the dot.
Well, yeah. And we got in at 3 o'clock, so that's how long it takes.
I'm happy with that though.
In the
Yeah, it works out
Terran
well
year
for us, didn't it?
It did, yeah.
of 2, Voyager 1.
Right, room 7911, Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kidani Village. Pip's going to let me in. There she is.
As always.
We're in. So we got the room a bit early, didn't we?
Yes, the check-in's not meant to be until 4 o'clock, and we got the room notification at 3:10. So
Yeah, we was in Epcot, so we quickly dashed back.
Little bonus.
Yes.
So, door. This is a 1-bed standard view villa at Kidani Village. Off the top of my head, I haven't looked up how many DVC points it cost. We'll put it across the screen right now.
Yeah.
We've done this room tour before, so this is going to be a lightning one.
Yep.
We've got other more sort of slower, more leisurely paced ones on the channel, so I'm sure Pete will put a link in the description. So Pete set the fan off above his head, so sorry about the noise. So in the little entranceway, you've got a washer and dryer, and they give you laundry detergent.
Lovely.
Very handy. I have to say, it does sound like the moon landing.
There is a wash basket out there.
So noisy, it's untrue, but it's really good to be able to do it in there.
Yeah. And opposite
is the second bathroom. We'll get to the first one in a minute.
Bathroom
I mean, it's still a fantastic size, to be honest. So you've got shower over bath.
Yeah.
The old products on the wall, exactly the same as the cruise.
HTO stuff.
Shampoo, body wash and conditioner.
Commodes, towels, everything you need.
Body lotion, bath soap.
Yeah, really good.
Perfect. So when I need to titivate, I can throw Pete in this bathroom.
Yeah. And lock the door, probably.
Main living room area.
It's huge, as you can see.
Living room, diner, kitchen.
Yeah.
So we've got a lovely little table here. Such chunky, decent, solid wood furniture. I love it. Oh, and a breakfast bar here.
Couple of stools.
Where our hordes of luggage is a connecting door.
Yeah.
If you were going to have a 2-bed villa.
Lots of luggage.
This should sleep 5.
Could have a slurp of tea while
So this is a sofa bed for 2, and there's a single over there. So you can get 5 people in this room. Plenty of PowerPoints at the sort of little armoire.
Yeah. You have USBs.
Enormous telly.
Humongous telly.
We'll come back to the view in a minute.
Yeah.
Every Disney resort now comes with a Disney Alexa. So you can have fun with it. Or you can unplug it, you don't have to play with it.
Yeah, we can have a bit of fun with that, I guess.
Do we have to?
Hiya, howdy, hey y'all.
That will make her talk to us. Then we've got the master bedroom.
Oh, there's the aircon as we went by, and some switches for the fans in the room.
With our fairy friends upon it. So you've got a king size bed. That's American king size, not UK king size.
Huge.
I think in Britain that'd be a super king, perhaps. The lovely Lion King touches, which is always very cute.
The ostrich egg lamps. Plenty of storage. Another telly.
Desk/dressing table. More plug points. More plug points there.
Yeah, with USBs.
Lovely chunky furniture again. Animal Kingdom villas are due for a refurb, a full proper refurb, as in the whole thing's going to get ripped out and redesigned, which I'm half excited about and half nervous, because I don't want them to really lose the spirit of the resort. That's just me being a bit fussy, but I don't want it to look generic. It's got such character, Animal Kingdom Lodge, so I hope it stays the same. And then we've got the main bathroom, which is the size of a studio flat in the UK.
Yeah.
The only thing we've always thought odd over the years is such a big vanity unit. There's only one sink.
One sink.
So maybe we'll get 2 in the refurb.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Shower for 20.
Spa bath. Yes, this is huge. But as you can see, it's starting to show, you've got signs of wear. This property opened in 2009, and it's only had a soft refurb so far, which is like curtains, cushions, stuff like that.
Big bath.
So it does need it. And we've got another Lion King touch there.
Yeah.
Loo. Body lotion and bath soap.
Plenty of towels, tissues.
This is your wardrobe with your safe and your extra bits and bobs, and your iron and your ironing board.
Extra pillows and blankets. Yeah, it's good having 2 loos, 2 of everything, isn't it?
It really is. Even with 2 of us, it's quite nice to have 2 loos. I think the girls know what I'm talking about.
So I've opened the doors on the main room.
Okay.
And we go, okay. You slide it across from your left. So we got a balcony that obviously runs the whole length here.
Oh, hello.
Oh.
Yes, runs the whole length.
Yeah.
So you could access it from the bedroom.
Oh, we've got an end balcony. We've not had one of them before. Yeah.
So standard view means you're on this side of the building, so you're
Yeah.
overlooking the entrance, which we quite
Yeah.
like it. It's quite nice to people watch. We've got quite a nice bit of greenery, and we get to see the sunset as well.
Yeah, there it is.
If you're on the other side of the building, that's Savannah view. So obviously you get to see the animals, but it is more points.
Yeah. And down there is the pool area. Just through the trees. And that
And
is the room tour.
We're up on the 5th floor, so we're as
Yeah.
high as you can go, as you can probably see from there.
Yeah. We're up top.
We cannot go any further.
Yep. Happy with that?
Yeah. Love it here.
Yeah.
When they sell off the old furniture, I want the coffee table. Not sure how we'd get that in a case though.
No. Yeah, we've had a good day, haven't we? We're knackered now, but we've got to unpack.
Yep, but we're in
Gotta
for
eat.
tonight. We're not going to a park this
No.
evening. We're going to get ourselves sorted. I'm going to do a load of laundry because there's
Yeah.
also a washer and dryer in there. So I can get that done while we're having our pizza, and then tomorrow we'll be ready to hit Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, early.
Yeah.
Yeah, 7:30.
Half seven. You'll be lucky.
7:15 then.
Maybe. Really. On your own.
Anyway, thanks for watching.
Please like, please subscribe.
Yeah, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't know where it be or what it'll be about.
Not a
but
clue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we'll see you in that one. Bye for
See
now.
ya.
Well, thank you very much for watching.
Please like, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed that video, why not check out this one here?
And we also have some playlists, and here's one here. We'll see you there.
Bye.